We are standing here and calling upon anyone who is feeling aggrieved not to go out and retaliate in whatever manner, because as you can see, we the leaders are leading by example. We are just coming from a meeting with the Inspector General of Police, IG Boynet, who has now assured us of full security that will be provided, and especially for the areas that have been trouble spots like Atongoria. We are being assured that there will be police security that is actually going to be beefed up.
At this juncture in our history, we need to step back. We need to reflect. We need to think as a country that is a constitutional democracy and a country of law, that the elections are now over. Those who are able to vote and express their views have done so. Those who have not been able to do so, I would appeal to them to use peaceful, legal means to pursue their interests.
Those who are trying to export violence into Nairobi, because Nairobians have been living together, and the theaters of violence have not been in the city, apart from just 1 or 2 wards, must desist from it.
Let us not destroy our country because of these reasons which I have just mentioned. We need to move on. We need to go back to work. Our children need to go back to school. My appeal to the Vijanas Mitahani, let me use a language that the majority of our youth will understand. If Simba Arati wants to fight, let him come and fight with Sonko. Let him come and fight with Sakaja. Let him come and fight with my colleagues who are here. But our people, our youth, both in NASA and Jubilee, must remain united. We are one. Kenya is one. Nairobi is one. Let us not destroy our country because of politicians' selfish interests.